guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. I did make it back to work today, as you saw, and I was just working on doing some piping for the heaters up in the ceiling. I got all the lights turned on, which was sweet to see. Me and my coworker Mick slayed that, I did realize that the one pipe for the heater is severely crooked, so I'll probably have to try to fix that tomorrow because it looks terrible. And I'm ashamed of it, so I didn't see that until I was down on the ground at the end of the day. And then I was working on piping up through the floor upstairs in the offices. I don't know what the sleeve is for, but it goes from the upstairs drop ceiling to the downstairs drop ceiling or something like that. And then I have to work on another box tomorrow that I didn't show you. Help do a couple of wire pulls with Mick, and I feel like there's something I'm missing, but it's probably already in the video that you saw. I also did install some fan timers or some kind of switch for a fan, which I didn't show you guys, and then whatever else I forgot in the video. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. See you guys tomorrow. God bless. And as always, I hope to see you back tomorrow, and check out the description for anything there, social media, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos or do live streams. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Peace.